Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, President and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Gardnerville, New York, and this is how to measure ceramic tile around an outlet. So you've noticed that I've started installing our ceramic tile. I've left the field around the outlet or any cut tiles out. So what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll mark them. Now I've turned off the power, loosened up the receptacle and pulled it away from the outlet so that I can slip the tiles underneath it and make sure. So I'm going to make my mark. I'm going to cut that out. Now I went ahead and I cut them all out. Good planning. So I'm just going to install them really quick. And this was how to measure tile around an outlet. This is the Home Source Guy helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.